And happy moment, second section. Here I go, right hand. Thumb on the B. Extend to the G. Thumb moves to C. Stay in position for these. 2 extends way over to F. 3 extends to E, A, and now I'm in F position, and I move down. Cross over like a scale, and then I'm done. Left hand. 4 is on the G. I was here. Now I have to bring my 4 over to this G. Stay in position. Shift down, 2 on the F. Now I go down an octave, so I take my hand and expand it, and the 2 falls naturally on the C. Hands together. I'll go slow here. 2 moves over here. Look how the 2s are both on the F.